Are you ready to discover the secrets of making money online? I'm talking about earning up to $100 every single day without selling anything. And the best part is, you don't need any prior experience, and it's not affiliate marketing. It's as simple as copying and pasting some text. Plus, I will review 7 additional websites that can help you to earn even more money, and 2 amazing tools that will make the entire process much faster and easier, taking less than 5 minutes. Step 1, head over to google.com. Once you are there, type in Google News. The first thing that pops up is news.google.com, the official Google News website. Click on the first link, and voila, you're on the homepage of Google News. It's like an online newspaper where you find news on different topics under the sun. World news, local news, business, technology, entertainment, sports, science, health. You just name it. This is the legit Google website where you can discover all sorts of news. Now you might be wondering, how can I get paid just by browsing a news site? Let me explain. On top of the homepage, you will find various news categories like world news, local news, business, technology, entertainment, sports, science, and health. Click on one of the categories that interests you. Let's say we are checking out the latest tech news. Click on the technology category, and you will find a bunch of information about technology. But for today's video, let's focus on the health category. Click on health, and let's check it out. As you scroll down, you'll come across some serious, interesting news articles covering various aspects of health. Let's choose fitness for this purpose. Alright, this article caught my eyes. Let's click on it and give it a try. Now we have found the article we'll be working on. Let me show you the most exciting part of this process. Are you ready to discover a good trick for creating unique content? As I just showed you, you will need to find that article you like on Google News and copy it. Let me show you. I will select the entire article like this and click copy. Then open your notepad and paste it there. But here is the thing. You can't just copy it and use it as it is. We need to ensure that we don't run into any trouble with plagiarism. And that's where ChatGPT comes in. Head over to ChatGPT. Give it this prompt. Reword this text without changing its meaning. Now head back to the notepad. Simply click Ctrl A and then Ctrl C to copy it. Go over to ChatGPT and then paste it here. Just hold your sheet and then click enter so you can give little space. Then paste it here. Once you paste it, click enter. And you can see that ChatGPT is actually rewriting the whole article for us. Now here is the next step. We are going to copy this and check for plagiarism. So I'm going to click on this icon to copy it. We are going to go to a free plagiarism checker. It's called duplichecker.com. Scroll down and come here and paste your text. Check this box, then click on check plagiarism. As you can see right here is 98% unique and 2% plagiarism. But here is the trick. You can actually make it to become 100% unique. This is how to do that. So you just simply scroll down, come over here and find that particular place. Look at it here. Just simply copy it, then go back to ChatGPT. Use this prompt. Reward this text to be 100% unique human victim. Then paste that particular sentence there. Click enter. Simply copy it and then go back to the plagiarism checker. Then replace this sentence with that new one that we just got. Let me show you. I'm going to highlight this one and remove it. Then I'm going to paste that new one that we just got from ChatGPT. Then scroll down and still check for plagiarism again. So let's click on check plagiarism. You can see right now it's now 100% unique. So what you're going to do now is for you to simply copy the text and then go to your Google Docs and paste it there. One more thing, it's always a good idea to double check the article before using it. That's why I recommend choosing an article that you're really interested in. Here's another trick. You can do this exact same thing with Quillbot.com. Head over to Quillbot.com, simply paste the article you want to write and then click on paraphrase, and you will get an entirely new article that is similar to the one you got from Google News. Simply click here to copy it and still go back to duplichecker.com to check for plagiarism. But you might be wondering, why do we have to do all this? Well, if we simply copied and pasted the original article, we could face some legal problems due to copyright issues. But by using ChatGPT or Quillbot, we can avoid all of that and create an entirely new piece of content. Here is the interesting part. It's time to get to work and make some real money. Don't worry, you don't have to do all the hard work yourself. You can easily write articles using Google News and ChatGPT without any copyright issue. Just stick around until the end because I have something exciting to show you. A way to make money from 7 good websites where you can sell this your article and make big money. Now, starting with the first website, if you head over to Upwork.com and then you search for health right writer. You can see right here that people are charging $20 per hour, and this one have earned over $10,000. And if you scroll down, you'll see that this person is charging $50 per hour. This one is charging $60 per hour. This one is charging $80 per hour and have earned over $30,000. So you can see right here that you can actually make big money by selling these articles on Upwork. To get started on Upwork, simply click here to sign up on Upwork and then start getting jobs to sell your writing services. Now, if you head over to Fiverr.com and you still come over here and type health writer, you can see this person is charging $100 per article. This person is charging $80 per article and have actually written 523 articles. And if you do the math, 523 times 80, you can see that this person have made $41,840 from just writing blog posts. You can actually start making real money from Fiverr using this method I've shown you. The next website is People Per Hour. So you can see right here writing and translation, meaning that you can actually offer your writing services on this platform. And if you scroll down, you can see that they actually have people that come here to get writers. And you can see they have a lot of good reviews on their website, meaning that it's a legit website. And you can see this person is charging like $6 per hour, right? This one is charging $58 per hour. And you can just come over here and set up your own account and start getting clients to write articles for. Just use this method I've shown you and be able to start writing good articles. So how do you get started? Simply come over here and click on this freelancer. You can see become a freelancer and then sign up on this platform, set up your account, and you can start getting clients and making money. Don't leave yet. Make sure you stick around to the end, because remember I promised to show you like 7 good websites where you can offer your writing services. And if you actually click away right now, you're going to miss out on all these other websites where you can actually offer your writing services and start making big money online. So make sure you stick around to the end of this video so you don't miss out on any single website I'm going to list in this video. Skyward.com. They actually offer content writing services, and if you scroll down, you see that they actually offer high quality content at scale. The best part is you can actually join their team and offer your writing services to their clients. Now, how do you register? Simply click on this place here, Freelance for Us, and then you can actually create an account with them, sign up with them, and start offering your writing services to them and make quick cash without stressing yourself. The next website is WriterAccess.com. You can actually offer your freelancing services on this platform. You can get writing jobs on this platform. You can see right here, people come over here to actually hire freelancers. So it's really easy to register on this platform. So how do you actually register on this platform? Just simply come over here and click on for freelancers, and then scroll down and click on apply now. Just follow the procedure to apply on this particular platform, and then offer your writing services and start making big money from this platform. But wait, there are 2 more websites I want to show you. Freelancer.com is another website where you can offer your writing services. And if you just scroll down, you will see that they have a lot of writing gigs on this platform. You can see right here, they have ghostwriting, copywriting, blogging, technical writing, content writing, article writing, and different kind of writing. So you can actually sign up on this platform and start making your money. So how do you actually do that? To get started, simply click here, Earn Money Freelancing, and set up an account on this platform. Set up your profile and start getting customers to sell your writing services, and then you can start making big money. But wait, make sure you stay to the end of this video, because I'm going to give you a bonus tip on how to actually create your article from scratch. So in case you don't want to use Google News to get your inspiration and then rewrite it to get a brand new content, there is actually another way you can use to create your article from scratch and get a brand new 100% unique article. So make sure you stay to the end of this video, because I'm going to give it to you as a bonus tip. Flexjobs.com is another website where you can offer your freelancing services. If you scroll down, you can see that you can actually offer your writing services and start making big money from this website. To get started, simply click on this sign up button to sign up and create an account on this particular website and start getting clients, offering them your writing services and making big money from this website. But here is a bonus tip. There is a website you can use to write articles completely from scratch. If you don't want to spend time searching for articles on Google News, you can use this tool to write a full article in less than 3 minutes. And the best part is it's completely free. Let me show you how to access this amazing tool. So simply head over to this particular website. You will see that there is an article writer here. Just enter your topic or your title. Let's say maybe I want to write a blog post on how to lose belly fat. So let me simply type how to lose belly fat, and then you just simply click on generate article. You can see right here is writing the article for me. Easy peasy, no stress. So you can just simply click here to copy the text and then go back to your Google Docs to paste it, edit it a little bit, and your article is 100% ready to sell to people. And that's not all. You can even go to pixabay.com to get images you can use without any copyright issue. Imagine the possibilities of making big money online. Remember, everything we are doing here is 100% legit, as long as you write it in your own words and the content is unique. No need to worry about any copyright issue. It's just as simple as copy, paste, and offer your writing services on all these websites I've listed and start making your money online. If you can follow this exact same step I've shown you, you can start making money right away. If you found this video useful, then consider clicking on the video on the screen right now to watch the next video. And if you found this video helpful, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe to this channel. Then enable your notifications so you don't miss out on any video I post on this channel. See you next time. Bye.